You see, Singapore is like capturing a magical scene at once. Oh yeah, and it will leave a long-lasting memory with you for decades to come. So the thing is, you come to Singapore without expectation and you will leave with satisfaction. No joke. Some may like it, others may hate it, due to the fact that Singapore may inflict some serious damage to their bank account. That's right. For those who don't know, Singapore is one of the most expensive Asian countries in the world. Or maybe, if I rephrase that properly, Singapore may be the most expensive city to live in the world. Well, today, I'm not going to bother you about how expensive Singapore is, but I'm going to show you why Singapore is so beautiful. It's so magnificent. So today, I'm trying the Roti Prata. I'm taking you around Singapore to the Merlion and showing you my supercars. And of course, at night, we're going to rock your body. So yeah, this is why people visit Singapore. So welcome to Singapore. Let me try Zamza Roti Prata. I'm gonna eat with my hands. My hands is clean, by the way. That's fine. Oh, it's hot. I like it. That's a good sign. Whoa. Look at that, man. Dripping down, mate. Let's go again. Try dipping into this thing. Oh, let's go. Let's just try. Please be good again, man. Please be good. Somehow, the sambal sauce is sour. This is the first time I've tried a roti when the sambal sauce is so sour. But so far, I'm not quite impressed. I'm not really quite impressed. Don't get me wrong, this is good, but this... The secret to learn about a culture is highly connected to its rational and traditional cook. Cooking is a form of art, and human has mastered this ingenuity and passed down from generation to generation. And for those who love food and wanted to cook traditional dish from the other side of our planet, well, there is no better time to connect with Cookly, the largest platform for cooking classes around the world. So this is a time to create some strong affinity with traditional recipe from around the world. So click on the link below and book yourself some cooking classes and come face to face with raw nature. That was just a quick tour of Little India. Man, I need to take a rest, man. I am so bloody tired. So tired. Work out, boy. Work out. You're the only Singaporean I've seen running. Everyone is so lazy, eating a lot. Even in Malaysia, people don't like to run, but they like to eat. Good guy. I like him. And I like this too. This is exciting. Really, really exciting, man. This place is gorgeous. Singapore is gorgeous. Yo, you won't believe this. What? Supercars. I mean, these people are rich here, man. They're showing off their wealth. Oh my God, I feel so poor. Oh my God, look at this. This is impressive, man. Supercar. Bloody hell. Whoa. Look at this, man. My bloody hell. This is amazing. Now, you can tell, man, Singapore is rich. Singapore is bloody rich, man. If I break anything, man, they're gonna put me in jail. Man, I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this. This is Asia. My, look at this. I need to be careful, man. My goodness. Look at all of these amazing things, man. All the rich people. And I got a sexy girl there as well. Hello. She said hello to me. Oh, I'm broke. I'm so broke, man. But literally, I can't believe it. Sorry. It's alright. Oh my god, and the thing is that the people here, they're smiling as well, very friendly. Oh, you're rich, you're happy, you're friendly, you're so gorgeous. My god, that's just a jackpot, man. Just jackpot. Mamma mia. Whoa. It's crazy. Amazing, man. This is amazing. I'm still wearing my slider, that's right. I've never seen so many like supercars in one place at the same time.
Same for me.
Oh my god, it's crazy, ridiculous. I came to see the man lying over there and then I was like, whoa, okay, this stole the show. My goodness, look at all the people here. So you got to love this, man. Even if you're not a car fan, man, just take a look at this, man. You'll be admired. This thing will motivate you, inspire you, will make you want to be rich. It will force you. It will make you want to be like, I don't care what it takes to be rich. I want to be rich and get all the girls, them. That's right, all the girls, them.
I can't give you diamonds or pearls, hand on the moon and take you travel the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die.
I've got realised in Asia, literally, Asian chicks, they will rate you if you got a car, let alone get a supercar. If you got a supercar, oh my god, the Asian chick, they're gonna worship you. They're gonna be like, hey, on the boo. They're gonna be texting you. They're gonna be like, hey, you know what? You are the man.
Babe, cross my heart, hope to die.
That is sick, man. Rock my body. Yeah, rocking my body.
Golden trinkets, mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die.
Check this out, man. Durian Shendor. You see, like, durian is expensive in Singapore, man. Singapore, they just increased the price here, man. So in Malaysia, I can get it for cheaper. It's a durian thing, guys. The portion size look kind of small, man. Looks so smallish. I was like, no, I can't get that. It's too tiny.
I'm gonna love you. Oh, I'm gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you.
Oh my god. I'm so scared of height. Oh my god. Singapore Mall is crazy. Singapore Mall is crazy.
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die.
this episode and new to this channel, why not subscribe and watch this next?